Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see Samsung Galaxy A17 not charging. So guys, if your Samsung Galaxy A17 not charging at all, whether it is faulty USB port, cable issue or the software issue, so this video help you to resolve this issue. Okay. So guys, first of all, make sure your power source. So guys, first of all, you have the proper adapter, means you have the original adapter. Maybe it is any other company, but it is original and it work perfectly. Okay. And another thing is guys, from the Galaxy A17 the Samsung provided the adapter with the box, so you use only the one. Okay. Second thing guys, you inspect your cable and the adapter, so make sure that your cable and the adapter is working properly. Okay. They are connected to each other. If your phone is not connected, so try to use to the another one. Okay. Then guys, you clean your type C port. Okay. And another simple step, you simply restart. For restarting, simply click here and tap on the option restart and tap on the option of restart. Then guys, you try to reset your network setting. For this, simply go to the option of settings. Then guys, go to the option of channel management. Okay, here you go to the option of reset and here you reset your all the settings. It help you to make your all the setting to their default. Okay. Third one is hardware warning. Make sure when you are put your phone on the charging, check there is a no heating issue with your phone, and make sure that you are using the supportable charger, not to the high voltage charger. Okay. Sometimes we are using the charger that are higher than our device is supported, so this cause and damage your phone life as well as your battery life. Okay. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.